Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 18th March 2026. Reliance Industries is preparing for a massive IPO of its telecom arm, Jio Platforms. The company plans to file initial documents by the end of this month. This could be India's largest ever IPO. 17 bankers have been appointed to manage the issue. The offering is expected to be a secondary share sale by existing investors. Maruti Suzuki India Limited has received a draft assessment order from the Income Tax Authority for financial year 2022-23, proposing additions and disallowances of Rs 5,786 crore. The automaker plans to file objections before the dispute resolution panel. The company stated this notice will not impact its financial or operational activities. In a strategic decision to enhance operational efficiency, Tata Steel's board has greenlit the merger of its subsidiary Neelachal Ispat Nigam into the parent company. This consolidation is designed to streamline operations and reduce expenses. Furthermore, Tata Steel has earmarked up to $2 billion for Tata Steel Holdings aimed at bolstering overseas ventures and settling debts. Featherlight, an Indian brand specializing in workspace and education furniture, is all set to become a Rs 1,000 crore turnover company. The brand is expanding its manufacturing capacity and increasing its presence in Tier 2 and 3 markets. Following its successful entry into the education segment, Featherlight plans to also venture into the hospital and home furniture markets. India's non-life insurers have reported their highest ever health insurance premium collections in the current fiscal, as a sharp cut in the goods and services tax has boosted demand for retail health insurance across the industry. The general insurance industry has collected Rs 1.24 lakh crore in health insurance premiums in the first 11 months of the current fiscal, already surpassing the Rs 1.18 lakh crore recorded in the entire financial year 25. The government is likely to restart the IDBI Bank privatization process from scratch, after financial bids received came in below the reserve price and the exercise was called off last week. A key panel of ministers overseeing the divestment process will be briefed soon on developments and will take a final call, but the overall view is to move ahead and restart the process. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.